Character displacement is defined as a process that occurs when competition causes the phenotypes of competing species to evolve over time. In order to understand character displacement by analyzing 4 different but closely related species of Gasterosteus fish, or otherwise widely known as sticklebacks, it is necessary to go all the way back to how the first species came to be. Over 3.5 billion years ago, the sun, ocean, and atmosphere of Earth created conditions suitable for life to not only grow, but eventually thrive. The first life to emerge was plankton, tiny free-floating organisms in the ocean. There are 2 kinds of plankton: phytoplankton, which was the first photosynthesizing organisms, and zooplankton, the first animals in the ocean. These organisms provided the basis for evolution into larger aquatic plants and animals and served as a food source for these new species. Plants provide shelter, supply food, and add oxygen to surrounding water, so as they began to populate the oceans, they helped create suitable conditions for more animals to evolve also. Smaller species came first, such as mollusks like snails, and annelids like worms. Then, small fish began to evolve, such as the Gasterosteus fish. The 4-spined stickleback is a Gasterosteus fish that mostly occupies the benthic zone, or ocean floor. They eat small animals, plants, and zooplankton. As populations continued to rise, competition for resources, space, and predation grew, which also led to resource partitioning, the division of limited resources to lower competition. As a result, different variations of the same species can arise. The black-spotted stickleback can be found at the benthic zone and water column, or open water. It would have a similar diet to the 4-spined stickleback. The 3-spined stickleback also lives in the benthic zone and water column, but would probably have a diet higher in zooplankton. Finally, the 9-spined stickleback evolved to live even by the surface of the water in the algal mats. As a result, this species has a higher diet in phytoplankton, though it can also be found throughout the benthic zone and water column. Over time, larger predators evolved to eat these smaller prey, which also helped push their character displacement. The American eel is a common predator of the Gasterosteus fish and normally chooses the 4-spined stickleback as prey because it lives close to the ocean floor. Cod is another predator that commonly eats the black-spotted stickleback and 3-spined stickleback, which are found in open water. The blue heron eats fish swimming near the surface of the water, like the 9-spined stickleback. These different predators and environmental conditions create unique pressures on the fish that motivate their evolution into increasingly more distinct species. The slight anatomical and behavior differences present in the Gasterosteus species of fish due to character displacement is the result of resource partitioning, adapting into a particular niche, and pressures from different predators.